G'day, how's it going? So this afternoon we've come out to have a look around the old town in Bangkok. We've just got off the MRT at the Sanam Chai stop, and when you come out you'll end up coming out exit 1 right next door to the Siam Museum. If you were coming out to the Grand Palace or the Reclining Buddha, you'd get off at that stop there. So let's go and have a look around and see if we can find anything interesting. We're not going to the Grand Palace today or the Reclining Buddha because you have to wear long pants and have your shoulders covered. So we'll have a quick look around and see if we can find anything interesting. So if you get here and you haven't got long pants or your shoulders covered, you can hire the clothes or buy them. The elephant pants there were 100 baht for large, and the river can get a bit high sometimes, so they've got the sandbags there. The 10-part ferry crossing just to get across to the Wat Arun. This is super touristy here because of the Grand Palace, so you're going to be paying top dollar for everything around here.
And then one with just vegetables.
Hello.
One no meat.
No meat.
Hello.
One pork, one no meat.
One pork, one no meat. How about one?
Baby squirrel. Gotta keep your eyes peeled when you're walking around. You can see anything. Okay, we've just come from that direction. Down there is the Grand Palace. Come up here.
Wait, there's the...
This is another couple of exits for the MRT. There's a bridge down there you can cross over, which is where we're going. But just over in that direction, right over the back there's the flower market. So the plan is to cross the bridge and have a wander into the flower market. See what's going on there. It's 1:15 on a Saturday, so it's a 24-hour market, and the busiest time is 2 a.m. to about 6 a.m. apparently. And during the day at this time it's a lot quieter. It's probably the quietest time of the day, so let's go and have a look, see what's happening. You've got the Regini Pier there. If you choose to use the hop on hop off boat, that's one of the stops there. And wander down and have a look at the Grand Palace and the Reclining Buddha. And then one of the other stops is over there where Wat Arun is. We're going to have a look around this area. If you walk through there, there's a pier that you can get a boat to take you straight across the river and have a look around that area. I think it's only like 10 baht, wasn't it?
Yep.
10 baht each for a 5-minute ride across the Chao Phraya River. but we're in a real local neighbourhood here, near the markets. Getting ready for the ice delivery. It's crazy, isn't it? I think he could have got a couple more on there. Got the ginger cellar there. Someone's happy in their work. Yeah. Hard case. I get the impression that they all know each other. Just down there is the flower market. So let's see how we go. Crossing the road. Easy. Just got to watch it here because they're working and we're getting in their way, so $80 for those. Oh, look at those. Chilies are not my friend. Working hard or hardly working? This is regarded as the quiet time of the day. And there's still plenty happening. We might have to come back at 2 o'clock in the morning and see what really happens. No, probably not. $90 for some sunflowers. Everything looks so healthy. Oh, that's very colourful. Right. It looks like the $100. See how many's in each of them. Yeah, so healthy looking. So. I know they make those up here somewhere. These, they've done a great job. If you don't mind walking through these markets, produce and flowers come good smells. There's no stinky smells here. Are they fake? Are they real?
No, they're not.
No, they're fake, yeah.
Look how beautiful that is.
You just got me some fake ones, that'll be alright. And if I got us some fake ones, I'd be in trouble. So it's best not to get any. The whole street's full of flower shops. That's your thing. It's just interesting to see the way they work. Saturday afternoon, non-stop, and it's a 24-hour market, so I can't imagine them pulling all that stuff in at night. Oh, it's a nice little area here. Well, the food smells good back there. Well, that was our look around the old town and the flower market. So we'll end the video here. We just arrived back at the Sanam Chai MRT. So if you enjoyed that little look around, then we'll see you in the next one.